It's a quick acting solution to keep drains flowing without a hitch. So in this video we are going to see Harpic Drain Xpert Powder. So this is a 50 gram one-time use pack. MRP is 25 rupees and we can use this powder for blockage in the kitchen sink, wash basin, balcony drains, shower stalls. It is actually new plumber for your drain. It is used to dissolve and dislodge hair, grease, dirt that can cause blockage in the pipe. So how to use it is remove the excess water from the sink or blockage drain. Now pour the powder down the drain and add a cup of water. Now leave it for 30 minutes. After half an hour, pour plenty of water to clean the drain. Now you see the water flow. Even the tap water, it's going smooth now. But you need to make sure that you take precautions while using it. Do not touch this powder as it is a chemical composition and it can cause severe skin burns. So be careful while using it. Anyway, you don't have to touch it. Just cut the pack and empty the content in the drain. So avoid physical contact. Do not mix it with any other product. And keep it away from the reach of children and pets. It works effectively in just 30 minutes and it is as good as new to use. It costs you just 25 rupees and does its job perfectly, which is obviously affordable than calling a plumber. And it's a popular brand, can be easily found both online and in supermarkets. Totally worth the buy. Great product. Go for it and subscribe for more.